Okay, now the first thing is to get all the material figured out and all the tools that you need to use. So I just need wood. These wood planks here, there's just two different types, sizes of them. So I will try and get the specifications for you. It's gonna be in the description of the video, so you won't have to search for it. But then here, if you look very closely at that picture, I think it says 2 by 4-8. I guess if I can see, well, right here. Okay. 2x 4-8. So that means supposedly it's 8 feet. It's exactly 8 feet. This plank here, and it's 4 inches this way, and it's supposed to be 2 inches this way, but it's not necessarily 2 inches this way. Uh, it's a little bit less than 2 inches, but usually says 2, although it's not 2. All right, so these you need quite a few of them, but it depends on your project. So we will discuss how many is probably safe, and then you need another. This one, let me see. Trying to find. Okay, so yeah, this one. Let's get close enough to that. It says 5/4 times 6-10. So this is supposed to be 5/4, whatever that is. It's not necessarily an inch or even more than an inch, but it's supposed to be like around an inch or something. It's a little, to me, looks like perfectly an inch if you have to measure it. Then the 6, see that 6 right there after 5/4x. So that 6 is 6 inches, this width here from here to here. And then the 10 is 10 feet. So this thing is 10 feet, but I already cut it. Yes, it's 10 feet. So I had cut it using a saw. So this is another tool that you need. So the many types of saws, I kind of like this one. It's basic, and it allows you to cut at a particular angles that you would like. So but it doesn't do very much. It's pretty basic and it's good. It just allows you to cut the cuts that you need at the angle that you need it. So, and other than that, you are going to need an impact drill like that one, and you might also need a pencil just to draw on the wood or on the wall. So you also will need a stud finder for the wall. So I'm gonna show that to you. It's over to the other room. Hang on with me. All right, so you need a stud finder. So I use this one because it's much easier. I'm sorry, I only have one phone right now. I could have shown it to you in a video how it works, but it actually shows you the image of a stud or anything else that's behind the wall, like pipes, like wiring. It's gonna show all of that to you. It's much easier. And also need some measuring tools. A tape like that is fine. And then you also need I mean, you don't necessarily need, but I like to use this kind of measuring tape. It's hold on. This one, you place it against the wall like that, and it gives you the measurement. So let's see. All right. For example, when I place it against that wall, just like that, I'm gonna look at where the infrared light is being shot, so it shoots it against to the wall right in front of it. So it tells you the size. So let me zoom in a little bit so you can see. All right, so it's 5 feet, or I mean 4 feet 5 inches. So pretty much. All right, so you're gonna need some screws. I kind of like these kind of screws here. So the screws that the tip is like that, kind of like hexagon or something like that. I kind of like these mostly than the crossed tip or flat tip, because these are very easy to work with an impact drill, and it saves your time. So most of the things that you would need to work, like all the smaller tools you need to work in with that, like this one, this is the, you know, the tip that goes into this kind of screw. So, you know, and let's see, probably